What's good? What's good? So GALA has announced which exchanges will be supporting the V2. So I wanted to show you guys that quickly, and then we'll do a quick analysis. Not too much has changed. So sitting at 0.028, up 1.5, market cap 200 million, 24-hour volume 134 million. So I'm going to pop over my Discord where I posted it. I'm not going to read out all these exchanges, but some of the major ones: Binance will be accepting, Bybit will be accepting. We have Kraken, we have KuCoin accepting as well, Crypto.com. So you can look through this list. Like, just pause the video. I'll start at the top, pause the video, check out all the exchanges. Here you go, the second page, and there's one more page down here. Unfortunately, Bitkit is not supporting. I messaged their customer service, and as you can see right here, they will not be supporting the V2. So if you're holding it on Bitkit, I have quite a bit on Bitkit. I'm transferring it over to Bybit. Get it off Bitkit as quickly as you can, because the exchange is happening on May 15th, which is Monday. All right, gang, that's what we're looking at. We pushed up in our wave 2. So now our wave 3 target looks like we're going to come down to the low 2 cent range. Our wave 3 target is 0.023, put in a 4, put in a 5 to about 0.022, which is of course in our wave 2 pullback target range, in between 0.021 and 0.031. Daily chart, not too much to update. As you can see, we're just consolidating, waiting to complete that wave 2. Great time to be DCAing right now, in my opinion. All right, gang, so I just wanted to let you guys in on which exchanges will be accepting. I posted it as well on the community page on my YouTube channel. Check it on your phone. It doesn't seem to load properly on desktop, but if you check my community page on my YouTube channel on your phone, you can see the list of the exchanges. All right, gang. We're currently in a Bitcoin short trade. You can get free access if you sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Grab those bonuses and then email me or sign up email, and a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, which is post regularly, news, member, profits, hodl, all plays, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you want direct access, it's only $10 per month. Let me go to my chart channel. Yeah, it's only $10 per month for my signals analysis. If you want direct access, sign up through the Patreon. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.